get started. I thought if I set up a live stream that it will motivate me to do more work, and I normally do better when people are watching, even if it's just one person. Okay, let me just share this onto Drake Hall and then I can get started. So let's do it. Yep. Yes. Yes. So what I'm thinking here, just get the button UI done. Make something nice and simple. I don't really know. What is it that I'm looking for? Let's turn my phone off. Yes, I think I'm looking for something like something like that, but simpler. Oh, it's also fancy, isn't it? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, we'll just go with that for now. Let's colour it all black. Yeah, I like that. That could work. So when you hover over the button, you get this pattern that shows up on either side of the button. Nice and simple, but pretty nice. So I come here, and then I open it up in Safari. Hey, that's not updated. What do I do? How do I build it? I don't remember. Publish? That's not the same as that. I don't understand. Neither is that. Um. Oh. 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 I kind of forgot, but it looks like I made a. No. I made a local host for it. There we go. Okay. Yep, so it's like that. Pretty simple. I like it. Maybe make it smaller. Oh, I should have made that a movie clip. Don't look central. Right, so you got your start button. Easy. Then we'll go with like a login screen. That looks weird. Let's do that. Yeah. This is like so basic. Oh, you can't do import text. An old flash thing. How do you do import text then? How do you add import text in?
Glow up.
Oh my god.
No matter which project you're working on, you'll probably at some point need some kind of user interaction, whether it's a click of a button or oops, I'll put it here, and I'll give it under properties, I'll give it an instance name of, add that to the container. It's part of create.js on a canvas. I have something prepared for us already. Here I have a code. First I have a global variable called val that I'll use down here in a second. I have it says OK, and then I have a input field, not there yet, but let's make one then. So it's a new movie clip. And in this movie clip, I'll put a component that comes with the HTML5.
Component. Component. Where is it? Saw the dog in. Yeah. Where's the component? Insert. There we go. Components. User interface. And then text input. There we go. Looks a bit weird to me. Don't know if you need to do that. Stop. You used to have to call stop so it doesn't play like an animation. But yeah, go to and play. I feel like I've totally gone out of touch with the way Flash works now. It's not even Flash. How do I go to? It's not even doing any suggested. Let me just try. Go to and play. Login. Oh yeah, it's JavaScript, isn't it? So this is all JavaScript now. It's not ActionScript, it's JavaScript. Okay, that's alright. So I click it and it don't do anything. Stock go to in place, not to function. Because this is not in the scope. Ah, root. I want to do root, not go to in play. Yay. What go to and stop? I don't know why that was funny, because that is actually a function. And I have forgotten after many years of not doing Flash development. Okay. Oh, it's so crap. That's not a solution. That's ridiculous. To put code on every single input box to make the size the way I want it. It's terrible. Oh, I miss Flash. I think we should all just go back to using Flash. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. Turn off for now. I can't even see. I can't even see the text. It's so small. Right. I made the U bigger than the rest of it. I'm going to do the same with the password label. So now I want that to be password text. Oh, what's that? CSS. Yeah, so this is supposed to be a password input. We don't want to see the user to see their own password when they're typing it, so how do you do that? Oh, this is terrible. Yeah, this is awful. Hello, Carter 1. Yeah, this is just, no. No, I don't like it. That's a shame. Seems... This is going to be different to what I'm used to. What I have been used to with Flash. I wonder if... Could we make the game in Flash but use Ruffle? That's a possibility. I just don't like all these stupid hacks that I've got to do to accomplish simple things like that's a password input field. But to make it into a password input field, I've got to write 6-7 lines of code to make it a password input field. I mean, this isn't clean in any way at all. This is just so crap. It's like it's not designed really for a full game to be made in this. Oh, this is from 2011. Yeah, that was when things were simple. Nowadays, nothing's simple. It's funny how technology actually gets more complicated. Ads.
Hey everybody, but you can change it to whatever you want. In this case, it's input text, and
No. Wonder if this will work. jQuery. No idea if this will work. We'll try. Don't think it'll work. No. That's just jQuery, isn't it? That's just pure jQuery. Oh, this is us. This is just mad. So I've got to do timeout, haven't I? I've got to do something like this. Yeah, that worked. Oh my gosh. Well, what do you think about this UI at the moment? Very simple. I'm figuring it out, but I'm still not happy. The fact that I have to do stuff like this just feels hacky, not the way it should be. I should be able to set like attributes to the object itself here, rather than having to do something stupid like this. I wonder if AI can help me here. It doesn't have this. Configure the text input as a password field. Select the text input component on the stage in the properties panel under the component parameters. It doesn't have that. It's just class value disabled invisible. It's just hallucinating. Okay, forget it. The solution is more complicated than the actual hack. Okay. Then you press login, it sends a login request, handles an error, and then when you're successful it goes into the game. Simple as that. And this will be our game frame. At least there are some similarities to Flash so far. So next step will be to make a database and a server sided API for the login. Store username and passwords. We also want to be able to create an account as well, so there needs to be a join button. Nice and simple. Very simple. Too simple. Yeah, there you go. Login, join. If you press join, this hitbox isn't working. Okay, that's better. More responsive. Yeah, well, this is the first time I've ever done a HTML5 game like this. Using the same software that I use to make all my Flash games, only it's quite different in experience. But I think it can be done. It's just I have to accept it's going to be a different experience and not as fun, maybe. But I'm pretty proud of this so far. It's nice and simple and it works. That's what it's all about. Simple. Keep it simple. But yeah, good start. Good start to the development of this game.